This series of videos is all about helping someone who is used to a beginner method of solving the Rubik's Cube to move to an intermediate method. Welcome to my video for First-Look PLL. Instead of doing full PLL, which requires learning 21 algorithms, you can get away with just 2, although your times will be much faster if you take the time to learn 2 algorithms for First-Look PLL and 4 algorithms for Second-Look PLL. So after completing OLL, you will have a yellow face. You now want to get all 4 corners correctly oriented in relation to each other. There's a 1 in 6 chance that all 4 corners are correctly oriented already, allowing you to skip this step. There's also a 1 in 6 chance that 2 diagonal corners need to be swapped. That means that 2/3 of the time you will get 2 solved corners adjacent to each other. These are often called headlights, and so you need to swap the other 2. So we start with this case, and again there are lots and lots of algorithms that will do the job. You'll find them all on speedsolving.com. I use the one from the Rubik's beginner method, which I'm used to, and it has a memory aid chant to help you learn it, which is known as the run to me. I position the 2 solved corners at the back of the cube. No need to cube rotate or align with the center colors. If they're here, you just flick them around, get them at the back. In fact, the 2 corners already solved will actually end up on the right face after you do this algorithm. The chant goes like this. Run to me, fast, run to me, back, back, run away from me, fast, run to me, back, back, run, run away. You'll note that the second fast is an F prime rather than an F. So you might want to change this one to faster in the chant to distinguish it from F. This is 12 turns if you count B2 and R2 as 2 turns each. So let's do it again. I have my headlights at the back. I go run to me, fast, run to me, back, back, run away from me, faster, run to me, back, back, run, run away. Now you have all 4 corners correctly oriented. Here's a case with some red headlights. And for this algorithm in general, I find it easier to do with rotating the cube away from me by 1 turn, which is noted as X. So it would look something like this. You can see we've got our corners all done. So that's another way of doing it. It's a bit quicker. So now let's look at the second case where you don't have any headlights. They're all different. So what you can do is you can do the run to me twice. When you do it first time, the headlights will always end up on the left face, no matter which angle you start at. So you can just do a quick U and then do it again. So let's try that. Run to me, fast, run to me, back, back, run away from me, faster, run to me, back, back, run, run away. See, the headlights have appeared here. Doesn't matter if that one matches it or not. We do our U and we do it again. Run to me, fast, run to me, back, back, run away from me, faster, run to me, back, back, and run, run away. And they're all solved. Now it takes 25 turns to do run to me twice. It saves you learning another algorithm, but it's not a huge effort to learn one more algorithm which will solve the thing for you in one go. So a couple of options. What we can do here is we wide R prime, a D with your ring finger, a wide R and a U2, use either finger, and then you simply repeat that 4 more times, okay? And you can actually build up a bit of a rhythm. Okay, and we've got all corners solved. Now, if you don't like using those wide R turns for whatever reason, there's another way. And you can do an L prime, do an F with your ring finger, an L and a U2. It's the same thing, just from a different angle. Again, you can build up a rhythm and you can solve it quite quickly. So before you go, I'm going to show you one more algorithm, which is a bit less move count than doing that one 5 times. And you do this twice. So it's R prime, U, L prime, U2, R, U prime, L. And then repeat that. R prime, U, L prime, U2, R, U prime, L. and you have your corners done. So that's First Look PLL. Hope you get the hang of it soon, and bye for now.